This little white keyboard promises to be your ultimate companion for both intense gaming sessions and long workdays. But can it truly deliver on both fronts? Let's dive in. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is its clean, modern aesthetic. The white finish is sleek, and the compact 96-key layout is a smart design choice, saving precious desk space without sacrificing essential keys. It's surprisingly lightweight, making it a great option if you find yourself moving your setup around or needing a portable keyboard. The heart of this keyboard lies in its mechanical blue switches. For those who love that satisfying tactile bump and audible click, these switches are a real treat. They offer a medium resistance that feels responsive and precise, which is crucial for both fast-paced gaming and accurate typing. The anti-ghosting feature is a big deal for gamers. It means every single key press registers, no matter how many you hit simultaneously. This keyboard ensures you won't miss a crucial command in the heat of battle. Beyond the core typing experience, the media controls are a thoughtful addition. Being able to easily adjust volume, play or pause music, or skip tracks without alt-tabbing out of your game or application is a small convenience that makes a big difference. The white LED backlighting is subtle and effective, providing just enough illumination to see your keys in low light without being overly distracting. It's a single-color backlight, so don't expect fancy RGB effects, but it serves its purpose well. The PBT keycaps are another highlight. They feel incredibly durable and have a nice texture that resists shine and wear over time. The fact that they're also waterproof and dust-resistant adds a layer of peace of mind, especially if you're prone to accidental spills or work in a dusty environment. This keyboard is clearly built to last. Connecting is as simple as plugging in the USB cable. It's powered by USB, so no external power source is needed, making setup a breeze. It's compatible with laptops and PCs, and the ergonomic design, while subtle, does contribute to a more comfortable typing posture over extended periods. Overall, this 96-key mechanical keyboard is a surprisingly capable all-rounder. It offers a fantastic typing experience with those satisfying blue switches, robust build quality with PBT keycaps, and practical features like anti-ghosting and media controls. It strikes a great balance between gaming performance and everyday usability, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for a versatile and reliable keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.